Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and one of the things that will be added to Windows 11 at some point, and was discovered, of course, by a Twitter user that we often talk about, Phantom Ocean 3, or at Phantom of Earth. He's discovered while going through the code of Windows 11 that you could unlock a feature. So in your account and your info, what he found is that there's a new profile picture feature that lets you not just change the profile picture with something you have, but you can apply filters to it. You can apply all sorts of different changes in when the colors and the way the picture looks, so that you can customize basically your own photo or any picture that you want to use as a profile pic. So this would be in Windows 11 at some point. It is within the code already, because all he did was use this Vive tool feature and he enabled it. So it's within our systems, probably mostly in the insider rings right now, but will eventually be there. So this is something that could be interesting. You have your profile picture, you want to tweak it a little bit. Some people use external apps like Photoshop and so on, but now you can easily do it within the Windows operating system in your account and your info. All will be there to change the picture and tweak it the way you want. So sometime probably later this year, these are features that are coming in here and there. Even though they're talking about one big update every year, it's kind of a lie in a way, because in reality we're getting little things here and there that are appearing all the time. So they just update and send us something when they want to send us an update or a change. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and do go and follow our friend Phantom Ocean 3 or at Phantom of Earth on X. And there's always some interesting stuff there to look at. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.